Welcome back, everybody, to We Are Infinite with Glenn Burgess. Tonight, we're going to talk about a law, and I'm not talking about a law that governs society, but a law that governs the universe, which there are many, many different laws in the universe. But there's one specific law I want to talk about and how people get this law misconstrued. This law is the law of attraction. What is the real law of attraction, and how do you use the law of attraction in your life to fulfill your purpose, to fulfill your destiny, to fulfill your dreams and your goals to your wildest imagination? Stick through to the end of this video and you will find out what it takes to use and activate the law of attraction in your life. How to use and activate the real law of attraction in your life. You see, the law of attraction is one of many laws that govern the universe. And I'm not talking about the laws that govern society. I'm talking about the laws that govern the universe, who we really are. And when we follow them laws in a right way, the universe acts on our behalf. It acts on our behalf either way, whether positive or negative. Whatever we want, whatever we think about, whatever we act upon, the universe will give us. See, that's how the real law of attraction works. You have to first think it in your mind of what it is that you want, what it is that you're chasing, and then you have to speak upon it and believe it so much that that you turn it into a habit and you start living it out in action. You start going and chasing your goals, chasing your dreams, chasing what it is that you want in life. But it can't just be for wealth. It can't just be for prosperity. It has to be in a form that can help other people as well as yourself. See, the universe operates according to love. The law of attraction operates according to love. See, if all you're chasing is a means of money and wealth, it doesn't work like that. You have to be in alignment with your soul purpose. And your soul purpose will show you what it is that your dreams and that your talents and gifts are made of. What it is that you're here on this planet Earth for. See, we're all here to raise the vibrations of planet Earth. And when we're in accordance with the law of attraction and we utilize the law of attraction, we're gaining access to who we truly are. And by gaining access to who we truly are, we're gaining the love of others because those others are who we truly are. We are everything. We are the universe. We are the person down the street. We are the neighbor. We are our mother, father. We are everything. We are one. We are all connected. And when we see that, we tend to look at life in a whole new perspective. And we tend to chase out our dreams and goals into helping others, whether it be painting, whether it be music, whether it be a job, whether it be crafting, whatever it is. If we want it bad enough and we chase it and we put our whole heart in it, not just serving ourselves, but being a servant and serving others, our dreams, our goals, and our success will prosper. And the law of attraction will open up and activate in your life. It'll give you things beyond your wildest imagination if you put others first. If you operate according to love, and I'm not talking just a love with condition, I'm talking about an unconditional love where there is no conditions, where you're not expecting anything in return. You see, when you're expecting things in return, you're putting the universe on hold. It is not going to operate like that. The law of attraction will not operate according to fulfilling something that's not you. See, you are powerful. And once you realize how powerful you are and your connection to yourself with everything else around you, plants, trees, animals, people, the universe, everything, and you start operating out of unconditional love, the universe will give you everything you've ever wanted or dreamed of. It's happening in my life. I've came from prisons. I've came from jails. I came from industry, correctional facilities. I came from foster care. My mother left me at a birthday party when I was 9 months old and never returned. I've lived a life of nothing but negativeness. I've read and I've learned and I dove deep inside myself and I pulled this shit out. I understand now. See, it's an understanding of who we really are in our relationship to others. We have to stop blaming others. We have to start looking inwardly, not outwardly. We have to start wanting to help others, wanting to raise the vibrations of planet Earth, wanting to love people, wanting to be there to help other people, and to stop the racism, stop the hate, stop the frustration, stop everything that's negative, because you're only going to get negative. If you put out to the universe negative shit, the universe is going to keep giving you negative shit. But if you want a positive life, if you want a life that's truly fulfilled, if you want a life that's fulfilling your purpose and destiny and giving you the gifts and talents that are already bestowed deep inside you and pulling them out, you have to change. And the only way to change is inwardly, not outwardly. The outwardly will come after the inward change, the outward will come. Everything else will fall in place. But you first have to dive deep. If you want the law of attraction to work on your behalf and to open up, you have to dig deep. You have to change the way you look at things. You have to have a reason why you're doing what you're doing. And it's not just to get rich. It has to be a reason. It has to be a way to help others enhance just as well as yourself, to help others learn, to help others grow, to help others fulfill their destiny, their dreams, and their goals. And you fucking watch how the universe will work on your behalf. You watch how the law of attraction will change your life and those around you. Because it's not just blessing you, it's blessing everybody at the same time. That's how this thing works. It's not wishful thinking. It's not sitting around and daydreaming. It's not saying all these wonderful words and your bank accounts are going to get full and you're going to have this Lamborghini, this yacht, this wonderful mansion, this beautiful wife that you've always dreamed of. No, the universe doesn't work like that. The law of attraction does not work like that. The law of attraction is based and works off unconditional love for yourself as well as others, and your connection to everything in existence. Once you see that, once you realize that, and you chase your goals and dreams, and you put your gifts and talents according to that, the universe will give you your heart's desire. I promise you. It's happening in my life, and it damn sure can happen in yours. If I came from a dark past and came to the light, I'm sure you guys can too. And I challenge each and every one of you to change your perspective, change your thoughts and your ways and your views of things. Change them to the way of love, to the way of peace, the way of prosperity, the way of truth, because that is the truth. The truth is everything in the universe operates out of unconditional love. Like the famous quote, life isn't happening to you, it's happening through you. Once you understand that, things will change. And I challenge you guys to chase your goals and dreams, to put others first, to use your goals and dreams to enhance yourself as well as others. And I promise you, the universe will work on your behalf. For now, we love each and every one of you. We are infinite. Peace to each and every one of you, and all of you have a beautiful and wonderful week. Stay positive, chase your dreams and goals, and watch the universe and the law of attraction work on your behalf.